Welcome back to Model Mania 2021. Just check the notes. All dimensions are in millimeters. Chamfer 0.5 into 45 degree typical. Material 6061 alloy. Now here we will learn some basic features in SolidWorks. So let's start with this front view. Simply we will try to replicate this. 28.5 is the center distance, 12.5 corner radius, diameter actually, and there is a two circle and these are in one line. This diameter 12 millimeter and the bottom one 8.8 millimeter. And the width of this extruded body 8 millimeter. And here you will see few dimensions like 60 millimeter radius, 8 millimeter, these outer diameter 16 millimeter. And here comes the edge and center distance 12.5 millimeter, center to center 30 millimeter. Then later we are trying to cut this. You will see from here 3 millimeter cutout, and this cutout boundary is 13. See, this radius is coincide with the center part of this circle, angle 22.5 degree. In cross section you will see this part. Now this center to center distance 11.8. This is little tilted at 10 degree, taper 10 degree, and the corner radius 1.25, and there is one fillet 1 millimeter. So let's start with, first we have to choose any one plane. So I am going with front plane sketch. Now activate circle tool and I am going to create two circles. Make relation, hold shift key, vertical. Activate smart dimension and define the diameter, let's say 12 millimeter, the bottom one 8.8 millimeter, and the center distance goes 30 millimeter. Now again activate line tool. Now start from here. Let's say I am going to create a geometry like this, and if you comes here, if you go back to the point, it will automatically converted the line into arc, and I am going to say something like okay, then connect with this. Now hold shift key, select the center and point of this arc and this circle and make relation coincident. That's it. Hold shift key, select these two lines parallel, that is also. Fillet, and that is 12.5 divided by 2. I'll choose these two ends. Okay. Smart dimension. Now these 2 points 28.5 and center just half of this 28.5 by 2. That's it. And there is a distance gap, the gap between these two 6.8. Again I'll activate fillet and I'm going to add 5 millimeter here. Say okay. Again click this point and add here 8 millimeter. Say okay. Cancel. Now it's time to again apply dimensions. Now this is going to be radius, so 16 divided by 2, 8 millimeter, perfect. Now first we have to define the angle. This is 60 degree, and the gap between this edge and this line, it is going to be 12.5 millimeter. Look, our drawing is fully defined, no need to define any other things. So I'll simply extrude the body, cancel it. We forget to add some more thing at bottom. Okay, go to sketch, I'll activate a line and start from here, make little taper and move to edge. If you move to edge, you will see a symbol of tangent. Click exit, means this line is tangent with this arc. Okay. Now simply activate dimension. Before going to add dimension, let's add fillet, corner fillet, and it is 1.25 radius. I'll select this point, say yes. Now activate dimension. Click the line. Now click on center point and you will see these strides. Click the bottom one and here the angle 10 degrees, say yes. Now the center distance between these 2 points, center distance, not vertical, so just move your cursor little down and you will get the center, because this is little tapered, 11.8 millimeter. Thus that's fine. Now okay, let's keep this one as it is, we don't need to disturb anything else. Simply extrude. Now here more than one closed geometry, so in selected contour you have to choose one, just little tapered, 2. Sketch plane keep as it is. Now end condition, I'm going to choose blind and moving in one direction, that's fine. Depth 8 millimeter, rest I'll keep as it is, we don't need any direction 2 or any thickness. Say yes. Now place sketch on this plane. Now here I'll choose center point arc, this is an important tool. So let's start from here. Escape key to out, activate line tool and draw one tangent line up to this. Make sure these lines are tangent with this. According to drawing, it is 13 millimeter and the angle 22.5 degree. Look, this is fully defined sketch. Check isometric view. Now activate extruded cut feature. Look, you will see the preview and see the arrow is going downward. If you click arrow, it will move upside. From here you can control flip side to cut. We want to cut this side. Keep end condition blind, and this direction we will cut only 3 millimeter thick portion. You will see the preview in section. Say yes, look. If you go back, see this is the back view. In back side there is a one more cutout and you will see in side view 3 millimeter depth, but this diameter radius 9.25 and this is throughout cutout, depth 3 millimeter fine, and there is a 2 countersink hole, 4.5 the throughout hole diameter, the countersink diameter 9 millimeter 90 degree, and there is a one added counter bore hole 1 millimeter depth, diameter 9 millimeter. So just go back, select this face, sketch. Now let me activate here one tool, center point arc, that's the perfect thing. I'll click somewhere here near to edge and up to this point, center point, that's fine. Exit and activate dimension, and this is going to be 9.25 and angle it shows 50 degree. Simply place extrude cut tool. Okay, let's see the preview. Depth 3 millimeter, the direction is going perfect inside, rest keep as it is. Now look, hole wizard. Now hole type, first we have to choose countersink. Standard I'll choose ISO, and there is a one counter bore hole added in countersink, so I'm going to use raised head ISO 7047, not flat head or not hexagon socket. Now it is going to be 4.5, so I'll choose 5, and here you can see custom sizing. 4.5 is the hole diameter, this is throughout hole. Now the countersink diameter, and that is 9 millimeter, right? Depth angle 90 degree. The hole is we need to make up to next of the face. Now here we have to add counter bore diameter, added counter bore, this diameter 1 millimeter, rest keep as it is. Go to position, select this face and move cursor near edge, and you will see a center point. See, again place, press escape key or right click and select, and see this is the preview. Say yes. Now edges are not sharp, so simply go to option, documents, properties, image quality, and keep higher. If you go to red line, it will, your file size will be higher, but you will get a sharp edges. That's it. See, this is 1 millimeter counter bore diameter. Now here you will see the front side radius 1 millimeter. Okay. Then here back side 2 millimeter, 5 millimeter. Okay. If I am going to select this edge, add fillet, keep fillet type constant size, edge we already selected. These are the preview and tangent propagation. Keep tangent propagation so that you will get a perfect edge 2 millimeter, or even though you can directly change it from here. Select multi radius. Now I am going to choose this edge. Now you can directly edit from here. Let's say 5 millimeter. Just click any side, just make reverse. Two millimeter. No, not 2 millimeter. This is 1 millimeter. This is also going to be 1 millimeter. Say yes. Even though you can go edit and add here, and this is 1 millimeter. Simply you can click here 1 millimeter. Say okay, that's fine. Now activate chamfer. 0.5 into 45 degree typical. So I'll choose angle and distance. Here I am going to select edges like 1, 2, inside of the circle or next side of the circle, this edge, reverse, select the upper edge, and it will calculate all the edges. Say yes. Now right click, edit material. Now in search section 6061 you will see alloy, apply, close, look. Now I am going to apply appearance. Whole body I'll apply this, and hold shift key, select these two, edit appearance, yellow. Okay. I hope you like it. Don't forget to share and like our video, and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks and Autodesk Inventor. Thanks for watching.